Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Book of Meme. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that on a daily time frame chart, Book of Meme has broken out another symmetrical triangle, and this was my last video. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line is stuck inside in another rising wedge pattern. In fact, the previous support of the triangle is working as a support of this rising wedge pattern, and we found the resistance of this triangle when it was moving inside this triangle. And right now you can see that after the rejection, the price line is dropping down and moving down to test the support of this rising wedge pattern. At the same time, you can see that we have also broken out this very massive resistance, this red line. That is the EMA 50 on the daily time frame chart, the exponential moving average 50. That was previously breaking at a very strong resistance. And now for the past several days on this daily time frame chart, it is breaking as a very nice support. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Book of Meme that I shared a few days ago on 20th of May 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Book of Meme that I shared a few days ago on 20th of May 2024 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal Garda pattern that Book of Meme was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I click this play button, then you can see that the price line drop more down. And after entering the buying zone here, you can see that here it entered the buying zone. And then we had a very nice reversal, and it pumped almost 50%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move on 6th of May 2024. And this move was formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started another very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Book of Meme, and this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this symmetrical triangle. This was the symmetrical triangle, and here we had the support of this triangle. And after getting squeezed inside this triangle, finally the price then broke it out, and now it is moving between this resistance and support. The resistance is coming from here, from 13th of April 2024, and the support is the same support of this triangle that is now working as a support of this rising wedge pattern. By the way, during this move, we have broken out this very massive resistance of EMA 50, the exponential moving average 50, that was previously breaking as a resistance, and now it is breaking as a strong support for the price line of Book of Meme. And at the same time, we also have this nice support that is exactly moving at the same level where we have this support of the EMA 50 as well. That is at 1.25 cents. That was previously breaking as support here for several days, and now here for several days had been breaking as a resistance, and now it is breaking as a very nice support for the past several days. At the same time, Book of Meme is also trying to break out the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. That is also a very strong resistance. Therefore, after breaking out this resistance, it will be flipped into a nice and long and strong support for the price line. And then there will be a very high probability that the price line may not break down the support of this rising wedge pattern. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then in case of breaking out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, the target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at this long-term resistance of 2.47 cents. And the target for the breakout from this big symmetrical triangle, that move is, by the way, still due. And that target can be here approximately at 2.64 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.